Welcome to the children's TV series Clue Jr. Our series has 6 main characters: Mr. Green, Dr. Orchid, Miss Scarlet, Colonel Mustard, Miss Peacock, and Professor Plum. This new video series will take the main storyline from the game with the same mission, Who Ate the Cake? In episode 1, we discover the crime scene, the kitchen. In episode 2, we discover a hair left at the crime scene. Now we are onto something. The suspect has left DNA evidence at the crime scene. Episode 2 ends with the detective arriving at the crime scene to begin her investigation. Episode 3 begins with the detective questioning everyone that was in the house the night the cake disappeared. The detective begins to question Colonel Mustard more as he is the key witness in the case. He thinks he saw a woman suspiciously walk out of the kitchen the night the cake disappeared. After all, there was a long blonde hair left by the empty cake plate. In episode 4, the detective decides to collect DNA from everyone that was at the house that night and compare it to the DNA of the hair that was found in the kitchen. She ships it off to her buddy in the lab. Now, this is where it gets good. In episode 5, she begins to analyze the lab results. Let's move from left to right and examine each individual by comparing them to the evidence that we have. Mr. Green in the first set has one matching allele. The other does not match, so we can immediately cross him out. There's no need to even look at the second set because in order for someone to match, the alleles must match perfectly. Looking at Miss Scarlet, she matches perfectly with locus A evidence. She also matches perfectly with locus B evidence. Let's keep Miss Scarlet on our radar. In the first set, Miss Peacock only has one matching allele. Because of this, we can cross her out. It can be noted that in the second set, Miss Peacock has 2 matching alleles. However, this does not matter because she does not in the first set. She analyzes Colonel Mustard, her key witness. His alleles are a perfect match in the first set, but not in the second. It's a good thing our witness is not a suspect. Let's cross him out. Detective notices that he is the father of Dr. Orchid. She knows this because in the first set, Dr. Orchid's second allele matches with Colonel Mustard's. In the second set, Dr. Orchid's first allele matches with Colonel Mustard. This is suspicious because Colonel Mustard did not mention this. She speaks with Colonel Mustard and he insists his daughter is innocent. Detective realizes Colonel Mustard is telling the truth because his daughter's alleles are not perfect matches to that of the evidence. Last to analyze is Professor Plum. We can look at the first set and see that Professor Plum only has one allele that matches with the evidence, so we can cross him off too. There's no need to move to the second set. Based on this information, our key suspect is Miss Scarlet. Now, we can't say that she did eat the cake, but she was definitely at the scene of the crime.